he is, folks. Chuck and Big Richard come to save the day since his ass got my poor Betty stuck up in the mud again. I keep trying to tell him I need some different tires on here in these slick ass shithead tires I got on here. He just tells me stay out of the mud, but then his ass brings me down this. Look at that trail. Does that look like that's a golf cart fit trail? Here he comes. He's coming to save us. Dun da da da! Yay! He's saving us. Well, hello, Mr. Nance. Why'd you have to bring the tractor down here in the middle of the woods?
Because you got the golf cart stuck.
I didn't get that golf cart stuck. You got it stuck. For the second time this spring. You did. Wasn't me. But we're just sitting here patiently, waiting to get unstucked. Poor Betty. You know what this means, don't you? It means I get a don't get my ass chewed next time I get it stuck. Free ticket. Right?
Yeah, sure. Hang on.
Well, don't be jerking me around. I got a whole damn forest up underneath me. Here we go. Oh. Pulling me out. There we go. Poor Betty. This is the life, folks. Remember, free ticket. Free no butt chewing ticket.